Our 60-inch ETL NSF certified bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. The length, we have 59¼ inches. Depth, we have 27 inches. And height with caster wheels, 47½ inches. Back of the bakery display case will be your 110/120 outlet connection, power switch, and analog controller for your temperature control settings. Dual slide glass doors, and 2 adjustable glass shelves. Interior dimensions. We have 22¾ inches in depth. For length, we have at least 57½ inches. And the height, from the bottom to the top of the door track, it will be 23½ inches. Measurements for each shelf. 14¾ inches in depth. And 55 inches in length. Those are the measurements for each shelf. Our 60-inch ETL NSF approved bakery display case. For any questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.